Lesson 13.4, Directions. Create a picture graph. Use the completed picture graph to answer questions about the data. So the first thing you're going to do is create your picture graph. Now, I know a diamond is kind of hard for some of you to draw. If you would prefer to just draw a circle and change your key, that is okay. We don't care about the shape as long as the numbers are the same. Okay, make sure you pay attention to what this key equals. So you're going to look at this picture and you're going to draw the number of items that there are in that picture. Lettuce, carrots, flowers, fences, butterfly, apple trees. So draw that picture, pause the video, draw that picture graph, and then come back to the questions. Question number 1. There are more blank than blank. There are more blank than blank. Number 2. There are less blank than blank. Number 3. Which 2 items have the same amount? Blank and blank. Number 4, how many more carrots than butterflies? Pay attention to those words more and less, and pause the video if I'm going too fast, and then just keep going from there.